So changing the profile picture of your Facebook business page is pretty easy. All you need to do is to ensure you're logged on to the business page, and then you come to, and then you click this icon beside the logo, or this photography icon beside the profile image, right? Yeah, and then it's going to ask you now if you already have the image uploaded on your wall or on your page. You're going to just select the particular image you want to use. But if you don't have the image, you have to come right here to upload the image. Just wait for it to load up. So you can drag the image to reposition it, or you can also zoom in or zoom out, depends on, I think I'll just leave it the way it is, right? And then you can add a description if you want, but I think that's not necessary. So I go ahead and click save. So as you can see right here, we have successfully changed the profile picture of our Facebook business page.